Let's go get him again.
This is my first mention of the brand on my YouTube channel, but be quiet, because I have several others from the brand that I have to talk about, because this may be the brand of 2021 on my channel. We'll see, because I have certain brands that I just go crazy on. I go kind of ham on purchasing, so we'll see, because, well, I like smoke, and they're known for their smoke. And we're going to start it off with unboxing this one, because I got the full presentation on this one. Those four were all testers. So we'll start with this one. Let's go. Family, welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host. Today, we are unboxing, giving a first impression on Terror and Magnificence by Beaufort London. This is a brand that I have high hopes for. I hope so, because I blind bought 4, 5 of their bottles, and hopefully they don't disappoint. We're going to start with this one. This is a full-fledged presentation. The other 4 are just testers. So we'll open this one up. We'll crack it open. This is one of their newer releases from what I gather as a 2019 release. So before I get into the meat and potatoes of this unboxing, there's not much meat and potatoes in an unboxing video, but I always like to give a shout out or give props to the person, not the first one on YouTube, or doesn't really matter. It's the one that really piqued my interest in the brand. So I want to give a shout out to YouTuber Ben of the channel Talking Sense. I'll put a link down below in the comments, in the description, so you can go check out Ben and his channel, because he talks about this brand quite a bit, gives them really good reviews, so it kind of helps me purchasing them. So he introduced me to the brand, so I got to give him kudos. Ben, if you are watching, not sure if you are, but if you are, thank you so much. And you know, if you are interested in more of this brand and you can't wait for slow me throwing out videos on Beaufort, at least you have him. So we're going to talk about this one today. This brand is known for their smoky scents, and that's how it piqued my interest. Things like keywords like challenging, hard to wear, things like that, smoke, it's right up my alley. So we all know how much I love smoke, so let's open this one up. Let's see how much smoke there is in this one. I hear this one is the tamer one of the ones that I've got, but we'll see how tame it is. All right, so it's time to open up my first Beaufort London release. So this looks this looks promising, just the way this picture looks. Very dark, dense looking picture of a building. And I'm sure there's some history to it. Again, it's an unboxing. I'm not here for history lessons. You can check Google for that, or my full-fledged review when I get to it. So let's delve into it. My very first sniff of a Beaufort London release. And this is apparently one of the tamer ones. So, on y va. Let's see. There's smoke there. It's dark. Okay, so where do I go with this one? It really reminds me of an old building. That's where it's gone. Cold smoke. Old church. We can go there. Old building is more, you know, there's a dryness to the fragrance, but there's some coldness. I don't want to say wetness, but there's a coldness to this, like you don't want to say a wet stone, but a cold stone, like an old building, and you're feeling like the walls of it, and it's cold. There's that birch tar, not very strong. I've experienced much stronger birch tar. It's very much in the background. There's some black pepper here to give it a little bit of a bite. Some vetiver here. Really up my wheelhouse, I'll be honest. Not as Again, I know this is not one of their big and bold, but not as big and bold as I thought they were going to be, these Beauforts. Again, these other four might be much stronger in this thing, but yeah, it just reminds me of going to an old building. And I got a lot of fragrances that do this, you know, incense-based fragrances, a cold smoke, old church, dustiness, cold stone. Not saying that this is bad. It's got some black pepper too. That black pepper is hitting me. It's got that kick to it. Very nice blend, by the way. It's yeah, this is going to work well in the winter, by the way. Yeah, I can't wait to put this one on skin. I think the piece of paper is not giving it justice, but Terror and Magnificence. A good one from Beaufort London. I'm not going to say I'm disappointed. I feel like this one is going to be best on skin. I can't wait to do a pop the cherry on it, wear it in these Canadian winters that we're having right now. Can't wait to wear it, try it out, and of course, stick around. If you just checked out this video, I got 4 more from Beaufort that I have to sniff out and see what I get. And I think those are going to be the darker, denser ones. But this one is very nicely blended, and that's one thing with the new brand. To my nose, when I'm blind buying like this, I really want to see what the blend is and the quality of the scent. And I gotta say that they're both there, check marks on both ends. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. If you have smelt this release, I'd love to see your take on this one in the comments below. And as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.